Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening your image and acting fast. Import into Lightroom and zoom to check edges. Next, use masking and tap Select Subject so Lightroom creates an automatic subject mask. Once done, switch to the brush to add or subtract hair and fine edges. Use a soft brush and 0. 5. Flow for gentle adjustments. Make sure to hold Alt to erase areas you accidentally included. This gets you a clean, editable subject mask to work from. Now you refine the mask so separation looks natural. Use the brush with Auto Mask and Feather set to blend edges, paint to include hair and subtract halo artifacts. Then create a new mask for the background. Lower exposure, increase contrast slightly, and reduce texture to push the subject forward. If color spill remains, use Range Mask by color or luminance to exclude highlights or shadows. This targets stray pixels without touching the subject itself, keeping transitions smooth and realistic. Finish by exporting or compositing. If you need transparency, export the subject as a PNG with alpha. Otherwise, export a flat JPG and layer it in Photoshop. Once exported, you can place any replacement background behind the subject and match color and lighting. If you see halos or hard edges, go back to the mask, increase feather slightly, or lightly apply dehaze at low values to kill the fringe. If that fails, use the brush to manually paint corrections and react.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.